Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below if you like this video. So today you see a bunch of stuff on the table. And this video is actually kind of inspired by ZHC. Make sure you guys go subscribe to ZHC. ZHC. I don't know it, right? Well, okay. I'm gonna get started to the video. So this is an art dedicated video, and I need to go fill up my water. BRB.
12 seconds later.
Hey guys, so I got the new clean, fresh water. Can you see me? So what we're gonna be drawing, well, painting actually. Well, first I'm gonna show you all my colors actually. So these are all the colors. I'm going to be painting with these colors. These are watercolors, actually, and I have paper for the watercolors. I have all the samples of watercolors up here. They dry pretty quick. So I am going to be cutting out the paper. It is kind of satisfying, actually. Hey guys, I cut out the paper. Sorry about the noise in the background. My mom's cooking something. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is kind of the, how do I say it, sunset vibe? You'll see. Oof, got things on the ground. Ooh, okay. Let's get to the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications. As I said earlier in the video, if you skip that part, go subscribe to ZHC. That's where I got all my artsy things. When I first saw it, I just started doing art. And yeah, actually this is my first ever art video. I love art video too. Like with candy in the background and like drips. But this is a skinnier paper. And I'm gonna be doing with this different colors. I do not know how to say these words. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. What I'm gonna be doing, I literally am tongue-tying myself, is, so I am gonna be using, I don't know if you can see, this yellow and this orange, and that red. That red looks like an orange, but it's actually a red. Once you see it, I will show you on my test thing. Let me just go ahead and flip the camera. So, got it on my brush, then see that is a pure red. Okay, so you saw that, and I'm gonna be showing you something very, very, very satisfying that you guys are gonna want to see. But I need to do it with my thick brush. Yeah, I'm gonna do it with my thick brush. I haven't really been using this thick brush because I'm usually doing small designs. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this blue. You guys will see what I am doing. Okay, you guys ready? Okay, let me add a little more blue. Ready, set. Ta-da. Now the whole wall is crystal blue. Started to the actual coloring that I wanted to do. So I am going to be using my big brush for this actually, because I don't really need a tiny brush. So I got my red. And I'm just gonna, oh wait, no, that's not the paper. I'm using the book paper. I just usually rip out the paper because I like putting them places. Hold up, I'm gonna go get something so I don't stain the table. Hey guys, I am back. Anyway, this is like a new top and bottom. My hair is messy. Sorry, I didn't brush it today. And it's already late outside. I only brushed the front, but it turns out it got tangled again because my puppy. Holy cow, I'm gonna go get some water. Okay, as I drink some water, now I am gonna get started with the painting. I'm gonna, oof. Okay, I am gonna do it, showing you like this. Then I'm going to move to a camera on top. like I'm gonna be folding and kind of painting. And yeah. Real quick, I think I want to show you guys my setup. I'm in the mood to show you guys my setup. So I'm gonna. So we have the colors and everything. I'm gonna stand on the chair so you guys can see the full setup. So this is it. That's the basket where everything goes. That's my water. Those are my bracelets. The stuff on top don't really matter. Just focus on the stuff on the bottom here. The main supplies. Oh no! Did not see that. Need to refill. Hey guys, I'm going to fix this. Okay. Now let's do it. Going for a dotty texture. It has to be watery. So I need to do this quick. It's being through a little more than I thought I wanted it to be. Uh-oh. Okay, I am trying my best to do it as fast as I can. I'm going to show you up from the top view once I'm done doing this. It's very annoying. Okay, that could dry while I show you. Hey guys, that's what I'm kind of going for. It has to be kind of an ombre. Now I'm going to water my brush. Sorry about my napkin. This napkin is not that good, even though it came with the set, but I'm just using everything I have in the set. Anyway, this and that came in there. So yeah, I'm gonna go for the yellow now. Yellow's kind of bluey, but it's alright. And so dot it. Let me fix the napkin. Now let's that dirty brown disgusting water. Very bad water. You gotta be clear. Clear is way better than brown, you know. Dad, stop. This is my other dog. That's my puppy laying down.
Come on.
Okay. Sorry about my parents talking in the background. Why am I doing this huge mistake? Otto, other way. What tampa? Oh. This is a tampa in Brazil. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, now I grab the orange. Okay, I'm gonna put the phone down. Okay guys, let me lift the phone up. I'm gonna kind of dot it. I'm gonna redo the orange kind of. Oh, the orange needs to be more.
Caralho, por que joga o tomate ou
Eu só
a
joguei
porra do limão?
Okay, yeah, I'm so sorry about that. My parents are talking in the background. It's annoying. Sorry about that glitch. Something happened. Something apparently peeled up. Okay, next color, and I am getting the red. And I'm just gonna place it right there.
Mistura o diabo que eu tô
Right here.
lá. Meu? Essa de mango.
I like it. On to my next color, orange. I'm gonna place place it in the middle of these. Something right there. Some right here. Have some right there. This is what I meant by sunset vibe thing. Now for the yellow. Oof, sorry, I was kind of distracted. Didn't notice I was filming. Need to touch up top. I literally am thinking I'm not filming right now, but I'm actually filming. So onto the next color. I added the red. Now I'm gonna move on to the orange. Almost done. Dipping in the water. Are you doing a painting video? Yeah. You just showered. I zoomed down on your face. Okay, get your face out of the camera. Or else I'll paint you.
Paint my face.
No, you just showered.
Does this paint stain?
Yeah.
It's stained.
I'm just kidding. Oh, wait, no, it doesn't. He was like, it's stained. Ooh, okay. Need to add some
Did you
orange.
show them Rubble the puppy dog?
Oh, yes. Rebel the puppy dog. Puppy dog. I'm the cutest puppy in the world, everyone. So cute, Rebel. Okay, let's get back to my artwork. My magnificent art.
Are you filming a video?
Yes, I am still filming. Now I need to delete the film. I'm just kidding.
Look at this, Gigi.
Oh my god, that's beautiful! As Tico says, it's beautiful. I don't know how to do the Tico voice.
Fishy buddies.
Terrible.
Fishy buddies. Noob versus... No, noob, hacker, pro. No, noob, pro, hacker.
So you're a noob?
I'm a pro. I'm a hacker. I'm a hacker.
I'm a noob, I'm a pro, I'm a hacker.
Gigi, I want to show you my...
noob, I'm a pro, I'm a hacker. I finished. Ta-da. It's like a galaxy exploding, but yeah. Here's kind of dirty, but I like it. Okay, so that's the video, guys. Hope you like the video. Bye.